Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a great day today. Today I created this look that I like to call Bare Eye Bold Lip. Okay guys, there's not really much to say except for this tutorial is very easy and probably quite short since we don't really focus on the eyes at all. But if you guys are new here, hi, I am Kendra. I post 3 beauty/lifestyle videos a week and 1 vlog. So if you'd like to subscribe and see all those videos, please do just hit that subscribe button down below. I also have a huge giveaway going on right now which ends on February 8th. So you're not gonna wanna miss that. Definitely subscribe and check out the giveaway. But without further ado, let's get right on into the video. Okay, so no surprise here, but I'm gonna start off with my Becca First Light priming filter to get my face glowy and hydrated and ready for the day. And now we're gonna spritz some of my favorite Smashbox Photofinish priming water on my face. It's just honestly the best feeling after I do that. So refreshing. Okay, today I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty foundation. I have the shade 140 in case anyone was curious. 140 and 160 works best for me, but 160 I can't really wear unless I'm slightly tanned, which is not a common occurrence for me. I just realized I don't have a beauty blender wet. Okay, I'm gonna blend this in with this brush that I haven't used. Nope, I can't use that. I don't even have a foundation brush. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna blend it in first and then I'll wet a beauty blender and make it look better. Because this foundation dries so fast, I might have just ruined everything. Okay, pray for me. Okay, beauty blender. Okay, let's blend it in because I just don't like using brushes for foundation. They just rarely work for me. That's why I don't really have a foundation brush. Okay, for concealer, I'm going to use, I actually just picked up the Tarte Shape Tape again, which I haven't had for maybe almost 7-8 months. And the one I had was not the right shade, so I picked up Light Sand. But for like blemishes, I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild because it's a lot closer to my actual skin tone. And I don't wanna like highlight the blemishes, you know, I just want them to like go away. So I'm going to use this concealer for that. And then we are going to use the Tarte Shape Tape to highlight and brighten. Foundation today does not want to stick to my nose at all. It's really frustrating. Got some problem skin right now. Okay, and before I set anything, I'm gonna take my Milk Makeup Matte Bronzer in the shade Baked. I have been loving this lately. So, I'm going to use this to warm up my face, and then I'm going to set everything. Gotta get it all up in the hairline. Okay, so I am actually going to set my under eyes with a different powder that I'm filming for a different video. I am doing a review slash does it actually brighten with the Becca Under Eye Brightening Setting Powder. That video is probably already up, so if you want to go see it, it'll be linked in the info card down here and also linked down below. But I'm gonna do that really fast and then when I get back, we will move on. Okay, I'm now gonna take my Wowder, but my face is pretty dang set and dry. So I'm just going to put it on places that don't feel like they're fully dried down because I just don't want, I got a long day today and I don't want any makeup coming off. Also, I love the way this makes my skin look because it's super smoothing. It's super smoothing and pore like perfecting, I guess you will say. Okay, I'm gonna do my eyebrows and I'll be right back. I'm not gonna do them on camera because I've done them on camera before and I have a brow tutorial which I'll put in an info card right up here if you're interested. But I will be right back. Okay, so the brows are on and the lids are primed, not that they particularly need to be, but In a case like this, I would like to cancel out like any of the redness or veins on my eyelids, so I did prime them and set them as per usual. But since we are not really doing anything to the eyelids, I'm gonna go right on into bronzer. And today I'm using an old favorite, which is the Becca Sunlit bronzer. This is in the shade Capri Coast. So I'm going to go in with this bronzer today. This is a lovely bronzer. And when I do looks like this, I really like to be bronzed and focus on the skin. So that is what we are gonna do today. I'm gonna bust out my big mirror to get a little bit better of an idea. Take some down my nose a little bit to contour. Okay, now for blush. We are going to take Milani Baked Blush in the shade Luminoso. This is just such a gorgeous blush, and I think it's gonna pair really well with the lipstick that I'm gonna put on after this. Okay, now for highlight, I am taking my Kylie Cosmetics Cotton Candy Cream Highlighter. I've been so obsessed with this lately, like re-obsessed, because I used to be obsessed with it back in like summer and springtime last year because it's such a gorgeous color. Like, I just love that so much. But I'm re-obsessed with it, and I've been using it like crazy the last like couple of weeks. But to just add a tiny little bit to my eyelids, I'm just gonna take this highlighter and just kind of like sweep it onto the lid. It almost looks like there's nothing, but when the light hits, it'll just give a little bit of a reflection. But what I do want to do is pack this on the inner corner to add some brightness. And I'm going to add it to the brow bone as well. I really want my skin to look like the focal point. Well, the lip is gonna be the focal point, but I want the skin to look super fresh and glowy and beautiful and bronze, even though it's the dead of winter and it literally snowed 6 inches last night, which sucks. So now I'm going to go into my setting spray. I'm first gonna take just another layer of my Smashbox Photofinish Primer Water. And then I'm going to take some PIXI Glow Mist. I am going to do some mascara, and I'll be right back with you guys to put on our bright lip. Okay guys, so we have our mascara on, and we are looking pretty bare because usually I have some eyeshadow on, but today, nothing. But now we are going in with the Kathleen Lights Ultra Satin Lip. This is the ColourPop Kathleen Lights, and it's called Rever, which means to dream, I think, in French. I don't know how to pronounce it, but if you want to look it up, it means to dream in French. You could use any orange, red, orange, berry, anything would look good with this look. I just really like red oranges, so this is what we're going to use today. Okay guys, so this is my bare eye bold lip look. It really focuses on the skin and the lips, and it's so fun, it's so pretty, it's so easy to do since you don't have to really worry about eyeshadow whatsoever. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed. Please leave me a thumbs up if you did. Just go ahead and click that thumbs up button. And also, if you haven't already, check out my social medias, which will be on the screen right here, but also listed down below in the description box if you wanted to check them out. But I love you guys very much. Thank you for tuning in today. Have a great morning, noon, evening, day, night, whenever it is that you're watching this, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!